To copy a Google Sheet, open Google Sheets in your browser and sign into your Google account. Then open the spreadsheet you want to duplicate. Once you are inside the sheet, take a moment to review the entire spreadsheet to confirm it contains all the data you need to copy. This quick check saves you from duplicating a messy or incomplete file, and it is a habit that prevents confusion later. If you find errors or missing data, fix them now in the original sheet before you make a copy, because anything you correct after copying will only be fixed in the original unless you also edit the duplicate. Once you are satisfied, click the File menu at the top left of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Make a Copy. A dialog box will appear asking you to set a few options for your new file. The first field is the name for your copied spreadsheet. Give it a clear descriptive name so you can find it easily later. For example, adding the date or the word copy to the title. If you leave the name field blank, Google will automatically name it Copy of Aircom, which works but is not very helpful if you have multiple copies. Below the name, you will see an option to choose a destination folder. Click the folder icon or the drop-down menu to navigate to the specific Google Drive folder where you want the duplicate to live. This is optional, but it keeps your drive organized. If you skip this step, the copy is saved in the same folder as the original. If your original spreadsheet has sharing permissions set, meaning other people can view or edit it, you may see a checkbox that says share it with the same people. Decide if you want the duplicate to have the exact same sharing settings. If you are copying a sheet for your own private edits, leave this box unchecked so the copy is not automatically shared with everyone who could see the original. If you are copying a team file for collaboration, you might want to keep the same permissions. Once your name, folder, and sharing choices are set, click the blue Make a Copy button. Google Sheets will process your request, and you will see a brief loading indicator. When it finishes, the new duplicate will automatically open in a new browser tab. Do not close the original tab yet. Keep both tabs open so you can compare them. Now, spend a minute verifying that the copied spreadsheet contains all the original data and formatting. Scroll through the duplicate and look at a few key cells, especially any with formulas, conditional formatting, or data validation rules. If the original had charts, pivot tables, or scripts, check those too, because Google Sheets copies most of these elements, but occasionally a complex script or named range may need manual adjustment. This verification step is the only way to be certain nothing was lost in the process. Once you confirm everything transferred correctly, you can close the original tab if you no longer need it. You now have two independent files, the untouched original and your new copy. Any changes you make to the copied sheet, editing data, adding rows, deleting columns, will have absolutely no effect on the original file. This is the entire point of copying a sheet. You get a sandbox to test new ideas, create a template, or share a version without risking the source data. A common mistake people make is to accidentally edit the original after they copy it, thinking they are in the duplicate. To avoid this, check the tab name at the top of your browser or the file name displayed in the Google Sheets menu bar before you start editing. If you want a faster way to duplicate a sheet in the future, you can also right-click the sheet name at the bottom of the window and select Duplicate, though that creates a copy within the same file rather than a new separate file. For a completely independent new spreadsheet, the File menu method is the way to go. Now you know exactly how to copy a Google Sheet, giving you the freedom to experiment and organize your data without fear of messing up the original. If you ever need to repeat this process, just come back to these steps or save this video for quick reference. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.